Alright, hello everyone, my name is Bryan Uri, and today I'm going to be solving number 1 from the Chapter 10 Trigonometry test for college trigonometry at Valencia College here. We're going to be solving question 1 here. Alright, and question 1 is as follows. Basically, what we're going to do is asking to find the area of each triangle if there is no solution, say so. Alright, so what we're given here is this question has 3 parts. It has a part A, part B, and part C. And we're going to solve each. Part A is we are given B equals 113 degrees, C equals 12 degrees, and A equals 22 units, but in this case we're using feet. B is going to be given A equals 43 degrees, small a equals 15 inches here, in this case we're using, and B equals 9 inches. And finally for part C, we're given A equals 51 centimeters, B equals 35 centimeters, and C equals 40 centimeters. Okay. Now, let's start with part A. So, firstly, we're going to need a formula to kind of break this down, as that's how we always try to solve these triangles here. So, the formula we're going to be using is going to be a deviation of the area for sine, and this is going to be how it follows. So basically we're going to be taking this formula here, which is a given formula for the area, and we're going to be converting it basically here. We're going to make B into a value we can actually use to find what we're looking for here. So we're going to substitute B for this. It's going to be an expanded version. It's going to look like this. And in this way, we can actually find a value we're looking for. Why? Because we actually know the actual degree of A, right? Because all we have to do is do 180 minus 113 minus 12, which, doing it on the calculator, 180 minus 113 minus 12 turns out to be 55 degrees. So that's what A equals. So we can plug in all our values here. This is going to be 55. Then, doing this on the calculator, right? It's going to give us here. So let's do it. 22. That is going to give us 56.54. And that is going to give us our area there. 56.54. That is the area for part A. Moving on to part B now. So, for part B, we're given one angle and 2 sides. So this is going to be different from part A. So we're going to have to use a different formula. Well, a similar formula, but we're going to have to apply it differently. So we're going to be using for this formula, once again, same formula at the start here. Since we are given, once again, 2 sides and an angle. Now, using a calculator, we can just simply fill in everything here since we're given all the materials we need. So let's fill it in. And let's do it on the calculator. Okay, and that is going to give us about that number, but we could just really just cut it off there. It's going to be about 46.03 there. And that's going to be our area for number B. Now let's finally do part C. It's going to be our final one here. So for this question, we're actually given all sides, no angles though. So this is actually going to require the special use of Heron's formula. And Heron's formula works when we're given all of these three sides. So how do we use Heron's formula? Heron's formula comes in two parts. First, we figure out a semi-perimeter value, which is kind of like a key that goes into the second part of Heron's formula, which actually gives us the area. So the first part of Heron's formula is this. This gives us the semi-perimeter, and this gives us the key, which we need for the second part of Heron's formula, which is, and we're going to denote the key as S. It's going to be S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. That's going to give us there the Heron's formula that we can use. So let's do it. So here, it's going to be 51 plus 35 plus 40. And that's going to give us a key. I like to call it a key, but it's going to give us the semi-perimeter of 63, which now we can plug into this equation here. Gotta extend a little square root in there. And then we compact that all down. And that's going to equate to about 697.76 centimeters. And we're denoting this squared as our area. And just so you know, all these values are also going to be squared since they are area values and they are not just straight up values here. So this is going to be our final thing there, our final answer there. And that is all you have there for question 1. You have parts A, B, and C. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And for Professor watching this, I hope you enjoyed the explanation. And I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Take care.